Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and today we're talking about word count limits. Word count limits can be difficult. If you're given a word count limit of, say, 2,000 words and you write 2,001 words, your entire piece can be rejected no matter how good it is. So what do you do when you're way over your limit and you've cut everything you can think of cutting? Here's some good news. We all use more words than we need to. Our use of superfluous words is so ingrained in us that we don't even know we're doing it. So here are 5 simple tips for cutting words. Number 1, get rid of conjunctions. These are words like and, but, and or that are used to combine 2 statements into 1 sentence. By writing those statements as 2 sentences, you improve readability and you reduce your word count. Number 2, get rid of adverbs. Humans love using adverbs, and they have a place in our speech, but not when word counts are at stake. Adverbs are words like very, brightly, hugely, anything that is used to modify another word. As much as they color our speech, they're not needed. We don't need to say, the sun is shining brightly. It's the sun. Brightness is its default position. By the same token, we don't need to say that something is very important or that bad news was extremely distressing. On the contrary, those words can seem like overkill. Number 3, use active voice whenever possible because passive voice produces longer sentences. Now there are times when passive voice is more appropriate, but these occasions are the exception. I'll put a link to the video about this in the description. Number 4, look for opportunities to replace long phrases with a single word. And number 5, delete the word that wherever possible. The word that is one of those filler words that often doesn't really do anything other than take up space. The most important thing for you to remember in any piece of writing is that every word should count. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.